everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you've been fine. So our today's question is, using the data below, build up a unit rate for 100mm thick wrought cypress cornice with 4 labors. The data that we are given: cost of cornice is 30 shillings per meter, cost of mild steel nail is 60 shillings per kg, skilled labor is paid 100 shillings per hour, and skilled labor is paid 50 shillings per hour. Then we've been told to consider 10 meters. Then there is a note there: unit rate is done in meters, not meter square. So for cornice is a material that is used for sealing. So if you've always been keen in sealing works, at the corners, the one which binds the ceiling works and the wall, that is the cornice, it is always measured in linear meters, and so that is why we are going to cost cornice in meters, not in square meters. Okay, so then now we are good to go. So when you want to build up unit rate for cornice, the materials that we have here is cornice itself cornice itself, the nails, the two, cornice and the nails. So cornice, we've been told in the data above there that the cost of cornice is 30 shillings per meter, but we've been told to consider 10 meter. So you just take that 30 shillings, then you multiply by that 10 meter, because I've just said that cornice we are costing in meters, linear meters. So you just take that 30 shillings, you multiply by 10 meters, you get 300 shillings. That is the cost for cornice. Then cornice, you give some allowances for cutting, because cornice, when you want to fix a given cornice in a dimension that in a space that it may be longer, for that space you'll have to cut. So when you are cutting, you have to allow for cutting waste, which is 5%. 5% of 300 shillings is 15 shillings. Then the total for cornice is 300 plus 15 shillings, that is 315 shillings. Then the next item item in material is nails, whereby we've been told that nails, cost of mild steel nails is 60 shillings per kg. So you make a relevant assumption. So for example, for 10 meter, you'll use half a kg of nails to fix the cornice. So you just, when you want to get the cost, you just take a half of that cost of 1 kg was 60. So half a kg will cost how much? 30 shillings. So it is as simple as that. Then you allow for vandalism and pilferages waste. That is test for small things like for nails. 5% of 30 will be 1.5 shillings. Then the total is 31 shillings and 50 cents. Then that is the end of materials. Then we proceed to labor. So labor for the work, for 10 meters, one skilled who is paid 100 shillings per hour and one unskilled who is paid 50 shillings per hour can work for half an hour, and that work is done. So you just cost for that half an hour which they will work. So you take a half of 150, which will be 75 shillings. So then you get the total for labor and materials. 75 was for labor. You add 31.5, which was for nails, if I'm not wrong. For nails. Then you add for cornice itself, which was 315 shillings. You get 421 and 50 cents. Then you add profits and overheads, which is 25% of that amount, is 105 shillings and 375 cents. Then the total will be 526 and 90 cents. So that one is for 10 meter. 10 meter which will be worked. So we need to cost it in linear meters. So what of 1 meter? 1 meter, you divide that by 10. Your rate for Cornice, including labor, the profits for the contractor, the overheads for the work, and the cost of materials, your rate for Cornice will be 52 shillings and 69 cents. Yeah, 52 shillings and 69 cents. Yeah, so that is it. That is the end of that, the end of the solution of that question. So it is as simple as you've just seen. Thank you so much. Please don't leave without subscribing. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment. Yeah, you can comment on even areas you've not understood, and I'll elaborate them further. Thank you so much for watching this video, and God bless you.